So today is a visit to Aldi to find the garden bargains on the red labels. So first of all, we have the solar swing stake light. 2-pack was £4.99. Now this is reduced to £2.99. Various designs. These look good for your garden. £2.99. Next door we have the garden outdoor table lamp. This is from Garden Bright. These were £7.99. Now these reduced to £4.99. Next to that we have the garden spray. No good now, we've got a water ban. These come in two different colours, light green and dark green. These were £2.49, now reduced to 99p. We've got solar decorative string lights. These are from Garden Bright. These are like tulips hanging down. These were £7.99, now reduced to £4.99. I do like them, they look really cute. We have ceramic garden stakes. So we've got frogs, we've got snails, and I think there's also bees. So these are a set of 3, and you put them in the garden. And was £6.99, now they're reduced to £4.99 for the set of 3. We've got the garden clock in 2 different colours, in gold and in black. These are £14.99, reduced to £9.99. I do like the clocks, they look really cool. We've got a garden woven seat pod. These are £19.99, now they're reduced to £14.99. Next door to this, we've got the garden sandpit. These aren't reduced, but I instantly thought of raised beds with a nice little roof. That's a good idea. But anyway, back on with the deals. We've got a plastic square pot. We've got this dark green, and there's also the cream. These were £9.99, now reduced to £6.99. Cheap for a little pot. Nice idea. We've got these gin glasses paint set. That's a good idea for the kids. Was £4.99, now reduced to £3.99. Dustpan and brush or shovel. Ideal for your fire. These were £3.99, reduced to £1.99. Ideal for a brush. We've got these indoor fake plants. These look really cool. No need to water these. £19.99, reduced to £14.99. These will be easy to care for in the home. We've got a solar hanging monkey. This was £9.99 and it's reduced to £6.99. We've got a tablecloth. These are £3.99, reduced to £1.99. Quite cheap. And we've got this wet metal wind chime. These are really cool. Blow around in the wind. These are £4.99, reduced to £2.99. And last of all, we've got the premium garden mirror. These were £9.99, and these reduced to £6.99. I really want a garden mirror or the garden clock in my garden. So let me know in the comments, what would you choose from any of these? And please subscribe, like, and hype this video. Cheers for now.